Hey creatives! In this video, I'll show you how to turn a Vyouttar figure into Steve from Minecraft. But while I was making him, I got a crazy idea. What if Steve got trained by a samurai and a Viking to become the ultimate warrior? That's where the EVO version comes in. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make an epic version of Steve inspired by samurai and Viking designs. And all that without a drop of glue. Let's go! Let's start with the torso. We're using the same torso shape we always use for Vyouttar figures. Just wrap it around the body base and slide the little extensions into the folded layers to lock it in place. Once it's secure, we're ready for the arms. Now let's do the arms! Grab the arm pieces and wrap only the upper part, since Steve has short sleeves. Once both arms are locked in, we can attach them to the torso and move to the legs. Now for the legs, we'll wrap this piece of paper around the lower part so it matches the gray section on Steve's legs. After that, we can use the usual leg shape in blue to match Steve's color. Now let's move on to the face. Before we add the actual face piece, we'll place a small strip of paper right on top of the head. This will create a little folded gap, just enough space to slide the face piece in later without using glue. I actually made two variations of Steve's face, one with outlines and one without. For this version, we'll go with the one with outlines, since that's the one I prefer. Now, take that 2x2 face piece and slide its extension right into the small gap we made. Here we go. For the hair, I made it using the same method we use for all the characters, with the extensions that slide perfectly into the gaps between the torso and the head we created earlier. This way, everything locks in place without needing glue. For the weapons, I already made Steve's sword and axe. Now I'll just insert them into his hands to complete the look. They fit perfectly and stay in place without any glue, just like the other parts. And now, let's get to the juicy part of this video. I've designed an epic EVO version of Steve. Let's dive right in and see how this version comes to life. Let's start with the torso. I added a small crack in the front, just like a shirt opening that shows a bit of the chest. Gives him that brave warrior look. It's such a small touch, but it really makes the design feel alive, right? Now for the legs. We'll keep the blue part of Steve's legs, but we're swapping out the gray part for boots. Because, come on, no real Viking or samurai is going into battle without boots. These boots give him that grounded, battle-ready energy. Let's add some details to this boot. You know, this is my favorite part, the little details that bring the whole character to life. It's funny, I'm not using any glue here. Everything just locks in naturally. That's the magic of paper. If you shape it right, it holds itself together. Now attach the leg to the torso, and do the same process for the other side. And now comes the fun part, the details. I'm starting with a Viking pauldron, just one side to make him look asymmetrical and cool. One shoulder says warrior, the other says I've seen things. This little piece right here, it's not random. It's setting up the next shoulder detail. All right, now let's add the other shoulder detail. For this one, I'm using this shape with 3 extensions. Yeah, these right here. They're going to slide perfectly into the torso and into that piece of paper we added earlier. From that pauldron, I'm adding a belt wrapping around the torso all the way down to the waist. It kind of connects everything together, like armor meeting design. Next up, the waist belt. It adds structure and helps frame the next detail, the escarcellas, those hanging pieces of armor made of leather-like paper. They move a little, which gives a nice realistic effect to the whole figure. From here, I'll let you enjoy the process of adding these details. Before we jump into the bearskin, the hair details, and the face, it's gonna be epic. Watch how everything comes together.
Vyouttar figure takes the stage, no glue needed, it's all the rage. Click, snap, twist, it falls in line. Hands are busy, hearts align. Oh, precision's my best friend. Craft until the day won't end. No glue, no mess, just pure delight. Vyouttar figures shining bright. so tight. Shapes that dance a clever maze, every joint a small amaze. Twist it, turn it, watch it grow. My fingers fly, they steal the show. Every snap's a song to sing. Crafting's got me on this swing. No glue, no mess, just pure delight. Vyouttar figures shining bright. Piece by piece, they fit just right. No glue, no mess, it feels so tight. Shapes that dance a clever maze, every joint a small amaze. Twist it, turn it, watch it grow. My fingers fly, they steal the show. Every snap's a song to sing. Crafting's got me on this swing. No glue, no mess, just pure delight. Vyouttar figures shining bright. Piece by piece, they fit just right. No glue, no mess, it feels so tight.
It's wild how much character you can build with nothing but paper. You cut, fold, attach, no glue, no mess, and somehow it just works. That's the Vyouttar way. Clean, clever, and full of personality. For this detail, I want you to focus on it because it's so much fun to make. You can even learn from it for other aesthetic things, not just character details. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. It's one of my favorite parts. From time to time, I'll make fun things like this one, and I'll turn them into details for my characters. So, if you like what you see and you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. That really helps me make more videos for you guys. Thank you. And now I'm adding some bearskin details to the hips, the pauldrons, and around the belt area. It gives him that Viking wildness, like he just came from a snow raid. Watch how everything comes together. It's so satisfying. Let's add an old red fabric to the right shoulder. I thought it would make him look cooler, so why not? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now let's talk arms. I'm adding arm shields that go from the elbow down to the wrist. It makes his arms look strong and protected, but also really stylish. Enjoy the process. And since this is the Evo version, I added a little surprise. On one arm, a cute face of Steve, and on the other, Alex. A tiny nod to the original characters. They're still part of him, just evolved. Now for the face. We'll use the same system. That small piece of paper on top of the head, then slide in the face extension. I made 3 variations, but for this one, I'm going with the serious expression, because this Steve means business. And now, the hair. Same system as always. Slide the extensions between the torso and the top piece. I chose this serious face to show just how intense Steve's training was with the Viking and samurai instructors. It shows he's seen a lot, gained wisdom, and grown in character. This time, I'm giving him a samurai ponytail. Now, he's ready to face any danger with full confidence. Nothing can stop him. Doesn't he look like a true warrior now? It looks so good, like a mix of strength and focus. And finally, the weapons. The greatsword and the axe. Both classic, but I made them look epic. Just look at that combo. Viking power and samurai precision in one figure. And there it is, Evo Steve, the ultimate warrior made with the Evo Vyouttar figure base. This design really shows how far we can go with creativity. Same base, totally different energy. Let me know what you think of this version, and if you want to see more Evo characters like this one. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next craft.